Okay, we're back here in the office. We're having a look at two types of different doors. These are just cross sections of doors. I just want to make that clear. These are not the world's smallest doors. So we're going to just have a look at the what's going on inside the door itself. Look at the hardware, the hinges, the threshold, just to make an assessment of what we're looking at here and compare the two. Doors have changed a lot over the last 50 years or so. Our old grandparents' houses, our parents' houses, the doors were wood. Everything was wood, all the trim, the casings, everything was all made of wood. Lots of painting, staining, sanding, all that over the years, lots of maintenance. So we've gone to a more, low maintenance or no maintenance type of door system. So we have some two different types of doors, and we're gonna have a look at them here. So this is a door that you might see in Home Depot or Lowe's, something you just kind of buy off the shelf. It has a vinyl wrapped brick mold and jamb. Still wood on the inside, so any damage that would happen to this vinyl wrap, you'd have to replace the whole door. You can't really replace this vinyl wrapping unless you wanted to patch it or something, which wouldn't look very good, and it wouldn't be as effective anymore. Looking at the inside, you can see that there's the wood there still. So we're still back in the old days. So we're not at a full modern PVC or vinyl jamb. The hinge itself, just a fairly standard cheap hinge. The pin just pops right out. So if this was installed as an outside swing door, you're going to be able to pop the pin out, and there goes your security. You're able to take the door out from the outside. The stripping, a little bit harder to see. We can see it from this side. Just your very generic window stripping you buy, at the dollar store or at Home Depot. Just a really standard type of stripping. There's no real quality to it. These deteriorate very fast, especially during the winter time. They get beat up quite quickly. So the threshold, which is this part here. This is obviously the part you step onto. Just kind of basic metal threshold, really easy to scratch and damage over time. So not just a very standard door, something you're gonna just buy right off the shelf. So still, essentially a wood door with some kind of vinyl wrapping on it to kind of disguise it as a more modern type of door, a PVC door. So the threshold, there's wood underneath it, so it's all just, if any water was to get in behind the threshold, you're going to be able to, that wood could become water damage and deteriorate over time, which wouldn't be good. And then the stripping along the bottom is not adjustable, so you might have a harder time. Over time the door might warp a little. You're not going to be able to adjust it, so it's not going to close as good. And if it closes too tight, as we've talked about with our windows, that stripping becomes not as effective if you're compressing it, over compressing that stripping. So you're losing some energy efficiency that way. Over here at our other sample, all PVC, all vinyl on the jamb, the brick mold, the threshold. It's all PVC. What does that mean? It's not going to get any water damage. Maintenance free, completely maintenance free. There's going to be nothing that's going to be able to penetrate that, so it's a really good thing to see. There's a little bit of a coating on the threshold itself. Feels a little bit more high end. It's not, this kind of very cheap, shiny metal. So this is going to have a little bit more scratch resistance, which just helps protect that threshold over time, so you're not getting it all beat up, and it looks doesn't look like a new door after a few weeks. The stripping itself, a little bit more high end, just a little bit more protecting. It's going to last a little bit longer than this kind of cheaper stripping that's on there. This feels a lot more tighter, something that lasts a little bit longer. And then the hinge, more of a high end hinge. You have to open up the door from the inside to actually get this the pin out of the hinge. So for security purposes, it's a nicer thing to see. The inside of the jamb, there's a nice little metal bracket there holding it nice and tight. On the inside of this jamb here, just a kind of a cheap plastic bracket that's stapled into place. Again, we don't really like to see staples when we're talking about windows and doors, things that you're opening and closing thousands of times. Staples are for paper, not for wood in this conversation. So again, this is definitely a lot more higher end door. And looking at the threshold seal, it's actually adjustable. So if you need to lower it or raise it to get a perfect, nice tight fit, not tight enough that it's squeezing that stripping and causing it to lose efficiency, but a nice snug finish. Just you'll be able to play around with it and adjust it over time. So that's a really nice feature. Whereas the other door, you weren't able to adjust it at all. The hinge, again, a lot more heavy duty type of a hinge. Something that might be on a more of like a metal door or a heavier door. So it's probably almost overbuilt, but I'd rather overbuilt than underbuilt. So this door feels like it's really solid. And when it's getting open and closed again thousands and thousands of times over its life, you know, these are the types of things that count. What's going to wear out over time. You know, is the bracket going to become loose or snap? If this gets, this is right outside the elements. This is the outside, and here we are right behind this old wood brick mold, and we got a plastic bracket. That plastic could deteriorate over time. It gets cold. What do we know what happens to plastic when it gets cold? It can snap, especially when it's this thin. So that's not a very a good sign of a high quality door. So when we're comparing these two doors, they're roughly the same price. So I'm pretty sure I'd be going with this one. You can tell it just looks a lot better built, and it's all solid vinyl. It's going to be completely waterproof and not going to have to worry about replacing something or replacing the whole door if something gets damaged. So really good construction on this one.